This is the Greenworks 61cm 40-volt hedge trimmer. Part of the Greenworks 40-volt range, this cordless cutter is powered by a single 40-volt battery. This heavy-duty hedge trimmer has been designed to help you tackle, trim and tame your topiary, hedges and edges. And it features an ergonomic comfort grip handle, dual trigger loop handle activation for both left-handed and right-handed users, knuckle guard for user safety, a generous 61cm high-visibility steel cutting blade. With a 27mm cutting gate, it's an ideal choice for tackling thicker foliage. Broader blades with increased surface area for optimal cutting performance. Anti-jam function for consistent cutting. Adjustable handle position for comfortable cutting convenience. And once you finish giving your garden a horticultural haircut, your Greenworks 40-volt battery can be charged quickly using the fast charging dock.